Hello and welcome to Parents Sphere. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kavita Tekchandani and I am an early intervention advisor specializing in children's growth and development issues and an autism specialist. In conversation with a lot of my clients, I often come across this concern that most parents have where they tell me, Kavita, my child is constantly using the phone. They are all day watching videos and playing games on the phone. How can I reduce this? And what are the effects of excessive screen time? So, if you find yourself in this situation where your child is unable to focus on an activity for longer than few minutes and they can only sit still when they are either playing games or they are watching videos on your phone or your iPads and laptops, then that is a huge red flag. Using phones and other electronic gadgets over a prolonged period of time can have an adverse effect on a child's brain development. It reduces their attention span and their concentration levels. It has an impact on the child's speech development, and it also has an effect on their social skills amongst various other disadvantages. So you might ask, what can I do to get my child off the phone? First of all, we need to look at what is it that we are doing as parents. How much time in a day are we spending using our phones? Children are only mimicking what they see us do. We are their role models. So if they see us constantly using the phone throughout the day, they also want to do the same. But if we stop using or reduce the usage of our phones, you will see that automatically your child also stops asking for the phone as much. So now let us look at what can we do instead to keep these active minds occupied. You don't have to fill your child's day with umpteen activity classes either. Plan your day in a manner where you can take your child to the park or an open space or field where they can run around and explore nature. You can relax and enjoy watching them play. Take a little picnic basket with you. If your child is a fussy eater, you can watch my previous video on how to help picky eaters for this. So let your child run, jump, count the flowers, collect pebbles, listen to the sounds, identify the birds freely in the nature. And you can take some simple activities with you like bubbles, balls, rackets, in which your child can engage in freely. Doing this will help to keep you and your child active and engaged away from the phone and feeling calm and refreshed. So all you need to do is plan and organize your day in a manner where you're including outdoor activity as part of your child's routine, which can also be done in your own back garden or communal garden as well. Now, on the days when the weather does not permit you to go outside, you can engage your children in indoor activities. I will be doing another video on what kind of indoor activities you can do with your child, so watch out for that. The most important thing to remember is that you are your child's role model. Reduce your own usage of the phone and your child will follow your example. Try these simple tips out for yourself and see the change. Please post your experiences in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.